Hi, welcome back. So, as many as you may have noticed, Model 3 is not very spacious regarding the... So, I bought the roof rack. So, I'm going to proceed to install it just like that. Let's see how it goes. Here they are, the roof rack system Model 3. Let's proceed to open this. Look. Alright, it's pretty nice. Interesting. Oh! The famous speakers that I have to place somewhere perfectly aligned. Oh. Owner's manual. Nice. Instructions. And the bars itself. Okay. So you have to align these stickers like this. This one's front left, front right, rear, and rear. Perfecto. Step 1, kind of done. Good. With this tool we have to remove here the rubber and insert this guy like this underneath the glass. That's what the instructions are saying. Let's see how this goes. Alright, it was easier to come from the back. All the way here until lift it. Alright. Oh, super simple. All the way to the back to do it on the other side. Cool. Oh, that was pretty simple. Amazing. Alright, aligned. Good. Let's do it on the other side. So far this has been very easy. Normally I would freak out on this kind of tasks, but so far this is pretty simple. I said so far, now I cannot do it. Yeah. Alright, we're in. Same thing here like this. Alright, we are in. Let's go back. Thank God I saw a few tutorials on YouTube on how to do this. Perfecto. Wow. Simple as that. Believe me, it's really simple. This is great. So they're all well labeled there. And you just mount it on top like this. And now to the fun part, which will be mounting the things and screwing them. High downtown. adjust with the hand just like this. Little pressure. Is it? Yeah, okay. Actually, it looks nice. I like it. Okay, when it's there, it's fine. Yeah, so there you go. The racks were really simple to mount. This was my first time ever in my life mounting one of these things. I think that in 10-15 minutes you can easily mount all these racks without any trouble. Of course, these racks cost 480 euros, which is a lot of money for what they are, but it was really easy and simple to mount. In comparison with other videos, I saw people buying the cheaper versions, not cheaper versions, but cheaper alternatives to the original ones. They were going through a lot of problems trying to install it properly. So I decided to invest the money, and that's why I bought the white version of the car, which is 1,200 euros cheaper, because I knew I was going to eventually buy more accessories, and I'd rather use the money for those accessories than just the color of the car. Good morning. So little update on the roof rack. I was trying to adjust and see the finishing, how it was looking, and I noticed that some of the claps are not properly aligned. Discovered that one of them was really giving me really a hard time to place it properly, and I saw that it was kind of broken or melted. I will have to contact sales support or something like that and see if I can get a new one so I can actually have it nice. The story continues regarding these clips that go outside of the racks. I went through the steps of claiming this spare part through the service, through the app, applying like for an appointment, which is not necessarily, but I did it just to follow the steps. So I uploaded the pictures. They reply via SMS as usual that for this case I will have to go to the website and follow up the support, service, whatever, which I went there. I didn't find any particular link specified for this kind of trouble, spare parts, something like this. So I even called the service center here in Berlin, Schönefeld. They told me we don't have this spare part here and actually we cannot help you. Please insist with this service. And he told me, by the way, do you know you can actually answer to these text messages that you are getting? I said, oh, it's not a Tesla bot responding, or this not automated answers? He told me, no, it's a real person, which is good point. Nevertheless, I told them that I was redirected to them, that please give me a solution for this. And they replied, okay, it looks like you bought this accessory on the online store. Yeah, well done. You will have to get in touch with them through this email. So please send them the pictures and your problems, which I did 2 weeks ago and still nothing, no answer, nada. So service app, no. Phone for the service here in Berlin, also no. Email for the online store, still 2 weeks after I sent the first email, no answer at all, nothing, nada, zero, null. I sent a second email saying, well, hello, what's up? What about an answer? Still nothing. So I know it's a very stupid part. It's just plastic. It's not a big problem. It's not that the car is broken or something's wrong with the computer, or I admit it, it's very minor detail. But you get to see how this customer service in these big corporations work. It's no different than poor customer service in other telephone companies, for example, or whatever, you name it. In the meantime, I wrapped the plastic piece with some nice duct tape, always very handy. I did the road trip, I used the box. Now it's time to take it off. I might take off the racks, who knows. So it's interesting. I don't know, I found it funny and sad at the same time that I still have no answer for that. So okay, this ended up being a very long video for something very simple. Sorry for that, it was completely unexpected. If something happens, I will keep it updated on the comments. Not on the comments, but on the description of the video. Okay, now we're done. Are we done? Bye.